Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use IntelliSense in Visual Studio Code so you can write code faster with smart suggestions. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Open a code file, such as a JavaScript or Python file. Start typing code in the editor. IntelliSense suggestions will appear automatically. These suggestions include variables, functions, and methods. Use the arrow keys to move through the list. Press Enter to insert the selected suggestion. If suggestions do not appear, press Ctrl and Space. IntelliSense also shows parameter info and quick explanations. This helps prevent errors and speeds up coding. IntelliSense works best when language extensions are installed. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.